Ayakhishwa amakhambi okwelapha izifo ngapha nangapha, kepha ingcindezi inqotshwa ukufa kungani. Kuyoze kube yinini sidlala umzwangedwa, uthando esilikhiphayo uma lingasabuyi liyasicindezela. Lutho alufane nemali esiyifunayo nayo uma singasayitholi iyasicindezela. Amaciko afela ngaphakathi. Athi ingcindezi sizenqoba uma sikhuluma sisho konke okusidlayo ngaphakathi, kepha kanjani. Ngoba nangu nomfowethu waze wafa ekhala ememeza ngawo umzwangedwa, kepha kasizakalanga. Kanti nodadewethu omncane usendele kwabamkhulu. Empeleni kunzima nokuphefumula uma isithunzi sakho sesicilelwe phansi. Siyafa, siyaphela kancane kancane. Kepha ingcindezi ijule ngaphezulu kwesandulela, ngoba impilo ithatha wena ngezandla zakho. Empeleni kunzima ukuphefumula uma isithunzi sakho sesicilelwe phansi. Ngakho uma umuntu umkhathalela, yenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi uyamhlola ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba ziningi izidumbu ezisazophuma uma singanakekela. Siyafa, siyaphela kancane kancane, kepha ingcindezi inqotshwa ukufa kungani.
ngimila ukuzokwenza umsebenzi omncane, kodwa ungawona umsebenzi omncane kakhulu, kodwa umsebenzi ukuthi sazi abantu abakhona ababalulekile abakhona phakathi kwethu. Akusho ukuthi uma ngabe ngalibize lakhe igama ubalulekanga, sonke sibalulekile. Samba nomqeqeshi wethu wezempilo umama usasekani Manzini, akuthi ukuthi singintroduce ngokuhlala khona bakasho bathi Manzini, ukufika kwakho kwendawo.
My name is Nomkhosi Zulu. I'm the MMC responsible for community and social services from the Sibande District. I'm here representing the Executive Mayor Ubaba Zulu ongekho or held up somewhere due to umsebenzi omningi. Then here we have abantwana besikole from Ivuganini Primary, Nethandanani, Nembegeze. Sizela to do awareness of mental health. Kuno MEC from Department of Health, the DDG, Umamo Umdluli, all the officials that are working with mental health from the province and from the district. And then we have also the victim of mental health. Ozile namhlanje ukuzokhuluma ngokuthi kuyaphileka with the mental health illness if you are taking medication. And this awareness is a Egovenberg because we have so many cases. Egovenberg is a mental health. We have so many cases. So this awareness is going to empower and inikeze umphakathi waseGovenberg ulwazi how to treat patient with mental health and how to identify ukuthi the kids even in the family or abantu abadala ukuthi bane mental health. Then also the awareness ihlomisa umphakathi ngokuthi where to get assistance and where to go when you have the problem. And then again it gives hope and ukuthi kuyaphileka with mental health. You don't have to give up because you have mental health. There are centers and there is Bedlela and the clinics and kunabodokotela. Even besina no acting CEO was a Emelo Hospital who is the champion in mental health in Mpumalanga. So, Yabo.
Kamala Musasekan Manzini, MEC of Health in Mpumalanga. As a department, we have got all our clinics providing mental health care services. And also we are having our outreach team doing awareness campaign. And we have also established mental health boards in all the 3 districts that we are having in the province so that they can assist us as a department. And we believe that working with key stakeholders in the province also assist us as we go to the different communities, do the awareness campaign in our clinics, and also making sure that events like this one, also myself, I coordinate such a community involvement from our kids to our elderly people so that we can talk about mental health and the stigma that is there in our communities and what is it when we talk about mental health. As a province, we can indicate that we are the only province without a psychiatric hospital. But of course, working with National, we've also started with building our own psychiatric hospital. And we believe that recently we opened a mental health unit at Emelo that increases the number of beds that we are having in the province. And we're also having we have outsourced a hospital where we are taking our mental health patient to be admitted there. And we believe that with the process of building our own psychiatric hospital and being supported, we'll be able to have our own facility where we can be able to admit. But also in the main, what is key is the awareness campaign as far as educational programs that we are doing to make sure that our people understand what is mental health and also how can you deal with it and get attended as early as possible. We are having community engagement like today so that we educate our people that it doesn't mean that if you have got a mental health you are a mental health patient, you are crazy and it's something that cannot be attended to. So they must understand that they need to be supported, they need not to be labeled and to be discriminated among the community. So this awareness campaign and also bringing mental health patients to come and talk about the illness so that they can understand that they are there in the community, might not even be aware, but it's something that is not the people that are on the street that are walking around, those that are mentally having the challenge, but also ourselves in our own community. We do have got this mental health patient and they need to be supported, they need to be accommodated and not be criticized as we are using the very same people from the community to talk about mental health illness so that everyone can understand that even yourself, as they've indicated, that you might be having a mental health problem, just that you don't know. So we must not discriminate our people because what our people are going through is a lot. And any person, whether educated, whether poor or rich, you can be a mental health patient and you can have the mental health illness. So hence it is very important that ourselves, working the local municipality, traditional leaders, and even churches, our pastors, to talk about mental health is something that we need to promote moving forward. Thank you.
The hospital board, our pastors, the Department of Health, Market DDG, DM, directors and all officials. Thanda ukunibingelela nonke ngelithi igama lomfela nguJesu. Ngibingelela umphakathi, ngibingelela nabantwana besikolo, nabo bonke abakhona kule ndawo ngelithi igama lenkosi yami uJesu. Sanibonani. Asiuqedike umcimbi MEC singakayiculi le ngoma yethu. Sinengoma yethu special. Siyo-check impilo, siya-awarenessa, siya-campaigner, sithi.